Baby gear already eat your money and your trunk, so here's the best folding wagon setup: 2 family haulers, no fluff. Quick answer: the MacSports collapsible folding outdoor utility wagon is the everyday default, and the MacSports heavy-duty all-terrain cart is the beach day upgrade. No wagon does every job. Choose by storage, wheels, capacity, and daily cleanup. For most families, I'd start with the MacSports collapsible folding outdoor utility wagon. Buy it if you want one wagon for groceries, park blankets, sideline snacks, school events, and the occasional beach run without giving up your whole trunk. It folds easily, stays reasonably manageable, and its 3.5 cubic feet of space is plenty for normal family hauling. The catch is the wheel setup. Loose sand can make it pull harder, especially when it's packed. Skip it if beach sand is the main mission, you haul heavy loads over soft ground, or you need wheels that lock on slopes. For beach-heavy families, go with the MacSports heavy-duty collapsible folding all-terrain utility cart. This is the wagon for chairs, towels, umbrellas, snacks, and sand toys when the path gets loose or uneven. The wider, larger wheels make beach hauling feel less like a workout, and the bigger interior helps when everyone's gear somehow triples at the shoreline. But you're paying for that beach focus. It costs more, folds bulkier, and the handle doesn't feel as tidy or locked in as the everyday pick. Skip it if errands and compact storage matter more than sand performance. Quick split. For errands, parks, sports, and general family hauling, choose the MacSports collapsible folding outdoor utility wagon. For regular beach trips with bulky gear and loose sand, choose the MacSports heavy-duty all-terrain utility cart. Before you buy, picture the real route. Pavement, grass, sand, trunk space, and where it'll sit at home matter more than the biggest-looking wagon. Also check wheel behavior on slopes, because a loaded wagon still needs your attention. So if you're unsure, start with the MacSports collapsible folding outdoor utility wagon. It's the calmer buy for normal family life. Go heavy-duty all-terrain if sand and bulky beach gear are your weekly headache. Links are in the description.